Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Ledger device to the Phantom wallet. First, ensure your Ledger device's firmware is fully updated. Next, install the Solana application on your Ledger through Ledger Live. It's crucial to close Ledger Live completely before proceeding to connect with Phantom. This prevents any conflicts and ensures a smooth connection process. These initial steps are vital for a successful setup. Now, let's prepare your Ledger device. Begin by plugging your Ledger into your computer using its USB cable. Once connected, unlock your device by entering your personal identification number. After unlocking, navigate to and open the Solana application directly on your Ledger screen. This action prepares your hardware wallet to communicate with the Phantom software, ensuring it's ready for the next step. With your Ledger ready, open your Phantom wallet in your web browser. Look for the Phantom icon in your browser's extension bar and click it. Once open, find the settings icon, usually a gear, and click on it. Within the settings menu, you will see an option to connect hardware wallet. Select this to begin the pairing process between your Ledger and Phantom. Finally, select Ledger from the list of hardware wallets presented in Phantom. You will then see prompts appear on both your computer screen and your Ledger device. Carefully review and confirm these prompts on both devices to authorize the connection. Once confirmed, your Ledger-protected Solana accounts will be visible and accessible within your Phantom wallet, ready for secure transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.